Subcontractor problems usually start when updates, schedules, and job details are managed through texts and calls instead of a system that tracks who is doing what, where, and when in real time. By the end of this, you'll know what software actually helps manage subcontractors, how it improves coordination on active jobs, and how to reduce miscommunication, delays, and missed handoffs. Managing subcontractors is not about control. It is about making sure everyone has the same information at the same time, so jobs don't fall apart between steps. The first thing you need is shared scheduling. Every subcontractor should see assigned jobs, dates, and locations in one shared system. This matters because most coordination issues come from outdated schedules or changes that don't reach everyone quickly. The second key feature is job assignment tracking. Each task should clearly show who is responsible, what needs to be done, and when it is due. This reduces confusion when multiple subcontractors are working on the same project. The third feature is real-time job updates. Subcontractors should be able to update job status, upload photos, or mark tasks complete from the field. This removes the need for constant phone calls just to confirm progress. The fourth feature is centralized communication. Instead of scattered texts and calls, all job-related communication should stay attached to the specific project. This keeps conversations organized and easy to reference later. The fifth feature is documentation and proof of work. Photos, notes, and completion records should be automatically saved under each job. This is important because it prevents disputes and makes it clear what was completed and when. When comparing software options, the main difference is between basic project tools and field service management systems. Basic tools handle task lists and messaging. Field service systems connect scheduling, job tracking, communication, and documentation in one workflow. For subcontractor management, visibility matters more than complexity. If you cannot see job progress in real time, coordination breaks down quickly. Another key factor is consistency. When every subcontractor follows the same workflow, it becomes easier to manage multiple crews without confusion. The most effective setups are the ones where subcontractors don't need extra instructions for every job because the system already shows them what to do. A practical next step is to list every subcontractor you currently work with and write down how you communicate job assignments to each one. That will show exactly where information is getting lost. If this helped you understand the best software to manage subcontractors, like the video, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of contractor systems and field operations.